Every time a client comes to my office for hypnotherapy and nutrition, sometimes I will explain what is theory of mind. I do this because I believe that it is important for you and for my client to understand that there's patterns that have been programmed in ourselves since we were little. Some even believe since we were a fetus inside of our mother's womb. Now, where and how does this change happen? Well, to think about it, there's 4 areas of the mind that must be affected before a person can make changes in their diet. One area is the conscious mind. This area retains and remembers the events and feelings of approximately the past 1.5 hours only. Then, there is the critical area of the mind. Part of this area is conscious and part is subconscious. It contains the memories of the past 24 hours only. Anytime we make a suggestion to stick a diet or don't eat the piece of cake that you're talking about, this area, which is, like we said, subconscious by 88% and in control of your actions, thinks that chocolate cake will bring you pleasure. Then, you will react negatively to sticking to a diet or going to the gym or making personal life healthy choices. This is one of the main reasons why diets don't stick. 88% of our critical area of the mind is subconscious and in control, and it only retains the last 24 hours only. The model memory area of the mind is a part of the subconscious mind. This part holds memory from conception to present in this life. And then, of course, we have the primitive area of the mind, also part of the subconscious mind, which includes all primitive memory that lies dormant, including genetic heritage and evolved learning and conditioning. This area will only react when triggered, regress, or threatened beyond the point of reason. An example will be a fight or flight reaction or an impulse to kill. When we are sugar addicted, you guessed it, we are operated full sail with this kind of mind all day long, without least a brain. Suggestions then, affecting these, are resulting rapid reaction without reason. When you practice yoga, meditation, hypnotherapy, or go to get a massage, you're activating the creative part of your brain, the part that we want to be in control, and that right now is only at 12% in control, which is the conscious giving. You feel more like you're living in the present and not in the past or the future. If you're constantly thinking on the past or the future and become either anxious or worry about it, that means that you're not using the creative mind, but you are in a state of hypervigilance or fight or flight, possibly sugar addicted. In the next video, we're gonna learn more about possible causes of weight gain. I'll see you then.